You are selling on Amazon without registry. You are leaving your listing unprotected. Today, I will show you how to register your brand step by step, including a mistake that cause most applications to get rejected. What is Amazon Brand Registry? In simple terms, Amazon Brand Registry helps you to protect your listings, helps you prevent hijackers. It unlocks A plus content, premium A plus content, brand story. It helps you unlock Amazon storefront, brand analytics, search query performance, brand tailored promotions, brand referral bonus program, Amazon Wine, sponsored brands, and sponsored display videos and sponsored display ads and sponsored brand ads you can create, and you can drive traffic to your Amazon storefront as well from using Amazon sponsored brand ads. And it helps you to manage distinct contributions more effectively. Brand registry does not automatically stop hijackers, but it gives you much more stronger tools to help you prevent from hijackers. Who is eligible for brand registry? Registered trademark and a pending trademark is compulsory to apply for Amazon brand registry. And your trademark needs to be word mark or design mark. In a word mark, it must matches your exactly brand name. In design mark, if you can trademark your logo and make sure, and it must contain your brand name in the logo as well if you need to file for Amazon brand registry. That is compulsory. Otherwise, it will you cannot apply. If you apply, then your application can get rejected because mostly what happen mostly in the logos, brand name does not appear for most of the brands. So in the some cases, brand face these issues. So also that's why brand name must match the trademark. What are the trademark requirements? If you plan to register the trademark in the USA, then you can apply for the brand registry in the USA. Similarly, if you have registered trademark in the UK, you can apply for the brand registry in the UK. Same goes for every country, and same goes for Europe. Before you apply, make sure you have these things: trade pending and registered trademark, Amazon seller account, brand name exactly matches the trademark, product images showing the brand name, our packaging brand name on it, and a website. It's an optional but recommended for faster application acceptance. So these are some important things that you need to be make sure you have all these informations before applying for brand registry. So once you will be applying for the brand registry, Amazon sends the verification codes to the attorney or whoever registered as a trademark contact owner on the trademark application. These are mostly the attorneys. So Amazon will send a verification code to the attorney, and then you have to that submit in your application after and at the end later on to and then once and then Amazon will verify the code and your brand registry will get approved. So these are few important things what that need to be you make sure you have. Some biggest mistakes that seller makes if that cause due to which their brand registry application get rejected mostly due to wrong trademark numbers. Brand name does not match with the brand name available on the packaging, and it does not match with the brand name record as well. And they sometimes use generic photos and packaging missing brand, like different spelling variations, fluctuations for a difference, wrong trademark office, and trademark owned by another company. These are some of the most important things that need to be keep in mind before applying for brand registry. So now let's go to the screen. So I will apply for the brand history. Uh, so, so once you have Amazon seller account, you need to simply go to the Amazon brand registry, USA, UK, whichever you want to apply. You can go to that, simply click on that. I am in Amazon brand registry USA, so you need to click on it, and you need to use your same Amazon Seller Central login for Amazon brand registry as well. And once you log in, you will be on this page. Okay, and after that, you need to click on a brand, enroll a brand, enroll your brand. Okay, so you need to come on this page, and I have, if you are already applying for, then you can go to your brand applications, and I have an application here which I will start resuming. It will be the same interface. What you need to, here you need to enter your brand name. Okay, and here you need to upload your brand logo. Make sure you have your brand logo as well. And then here you need to enter the registration number, a serial number. If you don't know how to get it, if you have your trademark number, you can go to USDP your trademark search. If you are applying in the US, if you have a trademark in the US, you can search the trademark in the database, and you can see the trademark serial number, registered number here. So this has a serial number, not the registration number, because trademark is still in the pending states. That's why you can see here pending. So we will use this serial number 9932413, and so same trade number is already there. Once as soon as you enter here, Amazon will automatically verify the trademark with USDPO record. And you need to check this because you agree that your personal information, name and email will be shared with you or any agent or representative identified by you to act on your behalf who is listed on the trademark record. This information will be used exclusively for the purpose of processing your trade enrollment and brand history and handled in accordance with our privacy policy. So whoever with this the information will be, Amazon will send a verification code that verify your brand trademark. Okay, so you need to trade register your category. In our case, it's health and personal care. If you have already selling on Amazon and you have any ASIN available with the same brand name, you can enter here. Otherwise, you can leave it as well, no problem. If you have a website, you can enter here as well. It's an optional. And then you need to add product images here. Make sure your product image must show the brand name available on the packaging. In my case, the brand name is available on the packaging. I can show you like this. Okay, this is clearly available. So make sure you submit all side images, and after you need to have at least minimum two images, but make sure it covers all sides. Once you enter this information, you can go to the next page, and here you need to choose who you are. Like you are Amazon seller. You If you have a seller center, you will select Amazon seller. If you have vendor, you will use this one. But this is for seller, so we'll use this, and then you need to check your account ID, and after we'll go to the next page. And does your brand sell to distributor? No. Uh, since no. So we will submit. Our application is complete, so we will submit it. Okay, so Amazon immediately has rejected the brand application because seller account is not eligible. So, but in your case, if you are applying for Amazon brand registry, situation can be different. So this will be the process you can follow to apply for the brand registry. Once you file that, in your case, it will go into the application case, and where you can follow the you can need to recheck the application. You can go to the Like this, it will Amazon automatically will create a case ID which you can follow further to verify your Amazon brand history. Do not worry about this section application. You can file your trademark using the same guidelines that I show you. But this was a live trademark I was following, was applying. But I will fix that. I will share that on as well how I fix this. Why does the seller count? Why this seller is not eligible for this? So if you have any question or facing any error while filing a brand history, you can leave a comment and I will help you to solve your issue. Thank you.